Based on the recent TOS changes, we have released new pre-built email templates. To locate these, you would just click on the Campaigns drop-down menu and click on the Template Manager. You can click on this Load Pre-Built Template button, and you'll be navigated into the page with all of the pre-built templates available. The layout is really easy to use, and it's broken down by these different tabs as well, where you can see the templates that are available for these scenarios. If you click on the View Template button, you can see a screenshot of how this pre-built template looks like using sample data and pictures. You can click on this Load This Template button, and it will redirect you to the template builder page, where you can either save it or you can further customize it to better represent your company. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more information, please visit FeedbackWhiz.com.